Alright, new flush mount turn signals for the Green Monster. These were donated from another bike. They're pretty universal, so they don't exactly fit 100%, but that's okay. I eventually want to fill these holes and maybe place a strip of LEDs up here or something for my turn signals, but for now, these are gonna work. Little demo. Bam! And they work. And it's a lot better than what we've got going on the other side over here, which are the stock ones I haven't traded out yet. Like Gary the Snail antenna right there. It's very 1996. So, a little bit of soldering, a little bit of electrical tape, and a little bit of muscle. And that side will look like this side. And that's all in this installment of upgrading the Green Monster.